Hi Trumpets, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page 13. On today's page, the first item in the upper left-hand corner is the note E, fourth space E, and that's fingered with no valves. It's a partial above C. In the middle of the page, an eighth note and 2/16. 1/8 note followed by 2/16 notes gives us the counting pattern 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And then finally the dynamic marking, that's an F with a dash and then a P following it, means play something first time forte and then our second time through play it piano. Let's jump into our first exercise today. It's number 39, High Note Happening. It's in 3/4 time, and it'll use that high E fingering. I've got my metronome set at 70 beats per minute. Let's get started. 1, 2, and 3. Ready, set, go. Let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3. Ready, set, and go. Next, we'll move on to our 16th Avenue. That's number 40, and it uses our rhythm pattern of 1/8 and 2/16. Sometimes words can play the part of a rhythm, and for an 1/8 and 2/16, strawberry is a word that has the same syllables as the pattern of a single 1/8 note and 2/16. Join me as we play this exercise together. Remember that we'll need F sharps with our second valve. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's play it again. 1 and 2 and a 3 and go. Our duet, number 41, also uses that rhythm. It's a Mexican folk song called El Florón. I'll start by playing part A, and you can join me, or you can play part B for an instant duet. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Watch out for your first and second endings. Here's part B. You can join me or play part A. 1, 2, ready, and go. Rest. Did your notes sound exactly like mine, or did you miss the C sharp? You may have missed C sharp if you played part B. If you did, pause and practice, rewind and review that one next. We'll continue to number 42, the Paw Paw Patch, an American folk song in 2/4 time with a B flat. 1 and 2, ready and go. play it again. 1 and 2, ready and go. Especially work those last two measures. Play that with me twice. Last two measures twice and go. Second time, ready, set, go. Great. Our last exercise is called, our next to last exercise is number 43, Spring from the Four Seasons. This is by Antonio Vivaldi. Be careful on this, there are both lines filled with first and second endings. At first, we'll play the first line forte, take the first ending, and then play the first line piano, taking the second ending. We'll do the same thing on line 2. The first time we'll play forte, the second time we'll play it piano. There's an F sharp in the key signature, so all Fs will be second finger. B will also be second finger as it's B natural. And then we're in cut time as well. Cut time, all of the values of the notes are half of what they are traditionally. So, the quarter notes that you see will actually sound like eighth notes, and the eighth notes that you see will actually sound like 16th notes. Here we go. 1 and 2, ready and go. Well done. How did you do on your forte piano? I know I often struggle on my piano part because I need that help to get up to those notes, so I need that air. But I need to work on my embouchure and make sure that I'm pulling my corners back. That will help the pitch stay high. Our last exercise is passing tones and neighbor tones, and they'd like you to use a pencil. Write your own variation of this by adding passing tones, which are the notes between two different notes, and neighbor tones that are right below or above repeated tones. So they give you an example in number 44 where they put a passing tone between C and E and the neighbor tone between G and G. Continue on, and then finally, try playing that example with your added notes, passing tones and neighbor tones. So until I see you next time in our next video, keep practicing.